Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Toyota Tundra updated. Start by adjusting the seat, mirrors, and steering column so you sit comfortably and can see all mirrors clearly. Familiarize yourself with the gear selector, brake feel, and cruise control before moving. Practice gentle throttle, smooth steering inputs, and progressive braking in a safe area to build confidence driving this truck. Use parking brake on slopes and review towing basics if you plan to haul trailers. The dashboard and controls can seem busy, but learn key locations now so you can focus on driving. Identify the pedals, shifter, parking brake, drive mode selector, and 4WD controls. Set up your infotainment and phone before moving and adjust climate quickly. Practice using the rear-view camera and sensors while parked to trust their cues when backing or parking in tight spots. Know where the fuse box and hood release are for quick checks. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the product you see here makes life easier. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They stack nicely in a truck console for snacks on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals before you shop. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Use smooth inputs and watch weight transfer to keep the truck stable and comfortable. When cornering, brake before the turn and accelerate gently through the apex to maintain control. For highway driving, merge early, maintain safe following distance, and use cruise control when appropriate. When off-road, lower tire pressure moderately and pick lines carefully to avoid damage to underbody components. Practice towing techniques in an empty lot before attaching trailers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.